My name is Nicki Chestnut. I am a cosmetologist. I've been working as a hairstylist for about 15 years. I actually found out about Barber Boot Camp because I heard some people in the union talking about it. I'm a member of Local 706, and I heard people talking about it, and they said Lou's amazing, and I think I heard about it the first time maybe a few years ago, and it took me a while before I finally called. My experience at Barber Boot Camp was the missing piece. It's something that I wish I had done years ago. I wish I knew that it existed a long time ago when I first started doing hair. I feel like it would have prevented a lot of problems that I've had cutting hair, and now I know why. There was just a lot of missing pieces that I didn't know. I would definitely recommend Barber Boot Camp to not only just my friends, but pretty much every hairstylist that I meet. I can actually already think of several people I'm thinking to myself, I really want them to take this class. I think it would help them. It would help ease their stress about barbering. I would rate Lou as an educator to be top notch. Not only was he friendly, and he was very encouraging. He gave us a lot of really great tips, and he made it feel like a safe environment to learn, and that come with that, sometimes you make mistakes, and he didn't make a big deal. He would just say, okay, here's how you fix it, which was, I thought, really nice. And I guess my parting words are to say thank you to Lou. I feel like, again, you just created such a safe space for all of us, and when any of us got overwhelmed or frustrated, you would just talk us off the ledge and say, it's okay, we can do this, we can fix it. It felt like there was no such thing as a mistake that was so bad you couldn't fix it, which was really nice. I think a lot of us have that fear with barbering, especially when you go down to the shorter levels. So yeah, I thought that was a really nice touch. What impacted me most about this 2-day boot camp was the repetition, and I felt like just the constantly we have to say which guard we're using, and then if it's open or closed. I really liked the repetition, because then it just starts coming to you, and you just kind of know it because you've done it so many times, you've said it so many times. And also doing the slideshow 2 days in a row, I actually thought was really helpful, because yesterday, the first day of boot camp, it kind of didn't really make as much sense to me. But today, day 2, it's kind of when it really locked it in for me. So I feel like, I feel like the repetition was kind of the best part, and something that is gonna stick with me in a way that other barber classes I've taken haven't. I think a 1-day barber class, there's only so much you're actually gonna retain, whereas 2 days, you have time at night to kind of think about it, and also just walk away and do something else for a while. And then when you come back day 2, that's when you're like, okay, I'm really getting this, and you get to actually do haircuts, and so you really get to see the results right then and there. So thanks, Lou.